What it do, Juice Crew? So, as promised, today is Fat Freestyle Friday, and yeah, I did this whack ass topic that y'all chose, so I'm recording off my phone as well, and yeah, so we just gonna go on and jump straight into that video, man. Here is the first of many Fat Friday freestyles. Enjoy. See. If I cuss, pardon my cussing, please. It be low-key hard. They had a choice to choose my topic. They chose heavy breathing. I ain't gonna stop it. I couldn't wait to do this shit, cause this shit gonna be hard. But nonetheless, I breathe heavy walking up steps. Anything I do gonna cause heavy breathing. I breathe hard for no damn reason. I breathe hard when I'm sleeping. I breathe hard when I'm eating. I mean, breathing hard is a part of my day. If you don't like heavy breathing, what can I say? I mean, the shit is what it is. Fat as hell. Ain't got no kids, but heavy breathing, that's what it is. I hate y'all chose this topic, but y'all did. So, heavy breathing, that's what we doing. I heavy breathe when I'm chewing. I heavy breathe when I shower. Shit, I heavy breathe for about an hour. Damn, y'all really chose heavy breathing. I can't believe y'all chose this. God damn. Y'all some whole bitches. Heavy breathing is a hard topic. But heavy breathing shit, I can't stop it. It's like a trademark. Fat people heavy breathe when they fucking walk. I mean, if you say you don't, I know you lying. Cause you do. I do, you do, he do too. She do, he do, we all do. It's okay if you can't see your toes. Heavy breathing, breathe out your mouth, not your nose. Heavy breathing, that was backwards. Heavy breathing, heavy breathing. Alright, bro. Heavy breathing was a hard topic, bro. So, y'all got that, man. This is one of many. Thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, share it, give it a thumbs up, critique it if you want. I won't give a fuck, but you still can critique it.